But what exactly is this elusive particle?
Me.
The Higgs boson, often informally called the Higgs particle, is a fundamental building block within the standard model of particle physics. It arises when the Higgs field, another cornerstone of particle physics theory, becomes agitated through a process known as quantum excitation.
What are you
Within
doing?
this model, the Higgs boson reigns supreme in terms of mass. It's a scalar boson, meaning it has no spin, a positive intrinsic parity, but lacks electric or color charge.
Man,
However, its existence is fleeting. It rapidly decays into other
baby, why you
particles
acting that
almost
way?
immediately after formation. Now let's look deeper into the concept of the Higgs field. Imagine an invisible field spreading out over the
That's
entire
bad.
universe.
What's
This
that?
field possesses a unique characteristic. It always holds a
Oh,
non-zero value, even in the vast emptiness of
that
space.
thing's
This
okay.
property, through a mechanism known as the Higgs mechanism,
Broken.
is responsible for imbuing various particles with mass. Think of it metaphorically. The Higgs field throws a universal party, inviting all the particles to join.
Somebody's.
The interaction during this party gives mass to the particles while breaking a fundamental symmetry of the universe. We owe this profound insight to
Oh no.
physicist Peter Higgs and his colleagues, who proposed the
What did I
ingenious
get to
Higgs
the wall?
mechanism in 1964.
I guess.
This groundbreaking theory not only explained how particles acquire mass, but also
Completely out.
predicted the existence of the Higgs boson itself. It's like solving a complex puzzle. If their theory holds true, a particle with specific characteristics must exist. And voila, the discovery of the Higgs boson beautifully
What are you
corroborated their
doing now?
predictions. The Higgs boson.
Disposal?
The Higgs boson, often nicknamed the God particle, finally emerged from a 40-year scientific quest in 2012. Scientists at CERN, using the powerful ATLAS and
Okay.
CMS detectors within the
Stop.
LHC accelerator in Switzerland, unearthed this long sought after particle, perfectly matching the predicted properties of the Higgs boson. The discovery of the Higgs boson was like finding that crucial missing piece. The significance of this breakthrough was undeniable, leading to the Nobel Prize in Physics being awarded in 2013 to Peter Higgs and Francois Englert, two key figures behind the Higgs mechanism theory. However, it's important to acknowledge the collaborative nature of this achievement. Several researchers, independent of each other, contributed crucial pieces to the puzzle between 1960
Somebody
and
go rob me. I steal
1972,
that stuff.
laying the groundwork for what would become known
Whose
as the Higgs
bag
mechanism.
was that?
Fast forward to recent
That's
times,
from
with the LHC accumulating more data, scientists made a surprising discovery about the Higgs
it was
boson.
ripped though.
Its mass was found to be greater than 125 giga electron
I'm gonna go
volts per
through
square
everything
speed of
and
light.
fuck that shit.
This revelation sent shockwaves through the scientific community. A heavier than predicted Higgs boson could necessitate a reevaluation of our fundamental understanding of the universe. Does this mean we need to scrap the standard model entirely? Not necessarily, but it certainly hints at the possibility of new particles or forces existing beyond our current knowledge. It's like
Give me a
discovering a
minute. Miren la
completely
cara
new
de
puzzle piece,
pendeja.
one that could potentially revolutionize our perspective on the universe.
Esa mamá,
Furthermore, the heavier Higgs boson has spurred renewed
motherfucker.
exploration of the Higgs
Mamá
field and its
está
role in
con that
shaping
shit
the
like 2K
universe.
games.
The mysteries surrounding the Higgs boson continue to
Just the
fascinate
truth.
scientists.
Nobody tells me the
Research
truth.
into this elusive particle is to compete against the best. We had to elevate every aspect
I
of
was
our
gonna say
game.
that
It was how we made Chrome Tour faster, with longer
that
carry,
where did you
and more
where did you buy
consistency
that
than Pro V1. Try it for yourself and see
what do you
why
call it?
Chrome Tour
That
is the new
guitar
gold
bag.
standard.
That one right
How
there.
far would you go to control the fragrance in your home? There's an easier way.
What?
Try
Where did
Airwick
you buy
Fibers
that
with two
guitar
times
bag?
more natural essential oils for up to 120 days of amazing fragrance per dual pack.
Why?
Now that's
What's wrong
a
with
breath
it?
of fresh Airwick.
Poised to intensify during the LHC's third
Huh?
cycle,
Who's
particularly after the
demonizing me?
planned high luminosity upgrade in
Never
2029.
mind. I
This
should have
upgrade will
asked.
significantly
It's,
increase the
it's none of
number
my
of
business.
collisions within the
Oh,
accelerator,
I mind my
offering
own business all
researchers
the
more
time.
opportunities to uncover
I stay
anomalies
out of
that
trouble
deviate
because I
from the
mind my own
standard model.
business.
Oh,
CERN
sure.
estimates a staggering
But he was
15
supporting
million
me.
Higgs boson particles being produced annually after the
Sick
upgrade,
ass.
a substantial leap from the 3 million generated in 2017. This
It came
abundance
with
could
that
prove
guitar hanging on the
instrumental in
wall.
identifying different flavors of the
And
Higgs
what was
boson.
it ripped on?
Theories beyond the standard model predict the existence of up to 5
I
distinct
don't know.
forms, some potentially less frequent than the fundamental Higgs. Even before these advancements, compelling evidence for a magnetic Higgs
Who's evil and
boson has already
conniving?
been found. But what exactly makes the Higgs boson so important?
I'm good.
Significance of Higgs boson.
Help me, Lord.
The Higgs field plays a central role in shaping
Third
the
day,
universe,
they're like this.
especially in its infancy.
I
It dictates
record
the
everything.
properties of the vacuum in our spacetime, influencing the existence of matter, interactions, and crucially, the mass of all fundamental particles. Without the Higgs field, and by extension the Higgs boson,
That's
the
good.
cosmos
I'm
would
gonna go
be
through
devoid of
everything. One
atoms, stars,
thing-
and even life itself. So why the nickname God particle?
I'm
This
gonna go through
moniker
everything.
gained traction after the Higgs boson's discovery. It's believed to
Down.
have originated from Nobel laureate Leon Lederman, who initially
Look at
intended
it
to call it
early last
the
time.
goddamn particle
2
due
days
to its
ago.
elusive nature. However, publishers changed the title to The God Particle for his 1990s book on the Higgs boson. The connection between the Higgs boson and religion has
Have-
been a point of
you
debate
seen
among
Asher
modern
or-
physicists. However, the significance of the Higgs
What?
boson and the Higgs field cannot be understated. They
Have
are
you seen anybody
fundamental to the
outside?
very existence of mass in the
Okay.
universe. Without them, there would be no stars,
sorry.
planets, or even living beings,
What?
a fact that partly explains the dramatic nickname. Beyond mere characterization, scientists
So
are
funny.
fascinated by the Higgs boson for two key reasons. First, they seek to understand the origin of the physical vacuum, the space we
I
inhabit,
keep saying I'm gonna
in the
mind my
early
own
universe.
business.
Second,
Stick to
they aim
that.
to comprehend the stability
out of
of this
trouble.
physical vacuum. The Higgs field is unique in that it imbues the physical vacuum with a non-zero expected potential energy, a factor that profoundly impacts our universe.
Oh, look at that.
Scientists believe this energy potential is responsible for the existence of both the electromagnetic force, which has an infinite range, and the weak force, with its very limited range. To gain a deeper understanding, scientists need to delve into how Higgs bosons interact with each other. This
I kinda
requires
like it, like,
creating collisions that produce pairs of
Man.
these elusive particles.
I kind of
While
like
the
how
discovery
like
of the Higgs
that's how
boson has
I cleaned the
illuminated
first
how
time
other
when I lived here
fundamental
for a year by
particles
myself.
acquire mass.
Like one
The origin of the
little
Higgs
spot
boson's own
of
mass remains
one
a
thing
mystery.
per day, like
The current
clean
theory
the
lacks a specific
recliner,
symmetry
you know, like
that
a
would guarantee
small
this mass and prevent
area.
unforeseen
And that's how
instabilities.
I kept
There's a
that, you know, like
theoretical
day by day,
possibility
like
that quantum fluctuations could disrupt
small
the very
spot, you know,
fabric of the
clean
physical vacuum
a
itself.
small spot of the
However,
house
these
Yeah.
disruptions,
till
if they
it was
occur at all,
cleaned.
would unfold on
I remember when
timescales
Haley-
vastly
when Haley
exceeding
moved
the
in,
known age of the universe.
when Haley had moved in that time,
Nevertheless, scientists
it
are
was
actively
clean,
searching for
and, you
additional
know,
particles that share
ever since
similarities
then
with the
it's
Higgs
really good.
boson.
Haven't been
The
able to
existence
keep
of such particles could hint at new physical
but it
principles
works
beyond
that
our
way,
current
like
understanding,
little spot
principles that
per
might be
day. I would do
necessary
it.
to explain the
That
stability
was easy.
of the Higgs boson's
I
mass.
used to throw all that
These
trash,
considerations
remember?
underscore
In
the
the kitchen.
critical need for
They
further
look bad.
research, more
All
data
the
collection,
flies and
and
everything,
potentially
rats.
access to
Yeah.
particle colliders with even higher energies.
And
This
Hans.
ongoing endeavor, driven by hundreds of dedicated experts from around the globe,
What?
showing the commitment to solving the mysteries of particle physics, revealing hidden realms. The LHC has played a crucial role in furthering the theory of extra dimensions,
Wait,
offering a glimpse into realms
he's
beyond
like
our
Valerie,
familiar
like,
three-dimensional
you know,
universe.
certain people don't
But
like
what
you.
exactly
Just
are these extra
your
dimensions,
characteristics.
and why are they so captivating to
I want to marry
scientists?
someone like
Our
that.
vast
She goes,
universe is just a sliver of a much
and
grander
him, he goes,
reality.
he goes, I
This
don't
is
like
the
shy
idea
people, by the
behind the
way.
theory of
Just to let
extra
you know, he goes,
dimensions. It proposes that beyond
he's
the
not
length,
into shy
width,
people.
and
He
height
likes
we
outgoing.
experience, there could be additional dimensions, hidden layers waiting to be discovered. These dimensions might be tightly curled or incredibly small,
It's not
far
that-
too
I
minuscule
don't
for our
care.
current technology to detect. Think of it like viewing a thread from afar. It appears
That's
one-dimensional, but upon closer inspection you see its depth and width. Similarly, these
Everyone
extra
that-
dimensions
those
could
men
be all
over here,
around us, existing
want you to set
unnoticed
foot in
due
his
to their
house.
diminutive scale.
The what?
Jerry,
But
remember when
why
he
are
didn't want you to
scientists
set
so
foot in his
interested in
house?
dimensions beyond
Kevin
our
was like,
familiar
it's
three?
not a good idea.
They're on a quest to unify the fundamental forces of
And then when he
nature.
came to our
Remember how
house,
the
I thought you were
Standard
gonna do
Model
the same thing,
successfully
like get
describes
out of here,
three of the
whatever.
four fundamental forces?
Hey, you're just
Gravity, however, remains the outlier. It's significantly
He didn't.
weaker than the other
You
forces,
weren't
like
revengeful like every-
electromagnetism and the nuclear forces, and integrating it into the
Mavis, what are
Standard
you
Model
doing?
has been a long-standing challenge. Here's where the concept of extra dimensions becomes particularly intriguing. According to the theory of extra dimensions, gravity might
What
be the
else
key to
did they leave
understanding
us?
its
I don't
own
know, look.
weakness. The
What
theory
else did they leave
proposes
behind the
that
door last
gravity,
night?
unlike the other fundamental forces, bleeds off into
Whoever.
these hidden dimensions, explaining why it
different
appears so
people
feeble
conduct
compared to
business
its
or whatever, I
counterparts.
don't know.
The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, plays a critical role in exploring this idea by delving into the subatomic realm. The LHC's history of uncovering surprises, from unexpected particle collisions to the peculiar behavior of quarks, hints at phenomena
Mijo,
beyond the standard
what
model's
are you
grasp.
doing?
These anomalies might find
Why you putting your
explanation.
big butt like that?
When
Mm,
injured in an
Good.
accident, seek justice, seek
Mijo,
integrity, seek
why
Nevada's
you?
trusted personal injury attorneys.
What's he doing? He
Call
never
Acme
sat
and
like this
Associates
with his big butt like that.
222-3333.
I'll put a
Tire Works
picture.
is your #1
I
source
love
for
Maria
tire
like a big
services
heart.
and repairs. At our 15 stores in the Las Vegas and Pahrump areas. And now,
Within the framework of
Oh, I like
extra
that.
dimensions. For example, the unexpectedly high mass of the Higgs boson could be attributed to interactions with unknown particles or fields residing in these
I
hidden
don't know what these
dimensions,
people are doing.
causing the observed mass discrepancy. Similarly, the fleeting and mysterious decay of beauty
I was
quartz
finding
might
things
be
everywhere.
influenced by
Like,
forces or particles hailing from these extra dimensions. We're peeling back layers of the universe to reveal its tightly
people
guarded
throw things
secrets.
everywhere. Like,
The
they
theory of
know, like
extra
they're in a
dimensions
hurry.
extends its fascinating reach to dark
Like when
matter,
they empty
a
my
mysterious substance
luggage,
invisible to
and
light,
the whole
yet exerting
zipper
its
was
gravitational
twisted. It was
influence
thrown
on
right over
visible
there.
matter. The
Like, what
theory
the?
suggests these extra dimensions might harbor
Why
new
these people are
particles,
fast?
offering a glimpse into a realm
A
of
whole
physics currently
luggage,
beyond
though.
our understanding. These
Like,
novel particles and the
dang.
forces governing them
On the
could be
first
the
time,
very components of dark matter.
no,
The LHC
that's not
once
a
again
newspaper.
emerges as a crucial player in this cosmic quest.
Oh,
This colossal
shebang
machine
full of
can indirectly
uh,
unveil these
cords and
elusive particles and forces by
charger,
analyzing the
phone,
energy
whatever.
and momentum lost during particle collisions. Furthermore, confirming the existence of these particles and forces would serve as a
Like
powerful
pieces of
validation for the theory of
like
extra dimensions
phone or
itself.
something like that.
The Large Hadron Collider,
Yeah.
LHC, delves deep into the
Oh no.
unknown corners of the universe, peering into realms beyond our familiar three dimensions. This quest for hidden dimensions aligns with fascinating theories like string theory. In string theory, particles aren't mere points, but rather vibrating strings existing in multiple dimensions. For this theory to hold true, a minimum of 10 dimensions is necessary for the strings to vibrate and create the particles and forces we observe. So, how does the LHC approach this seemingly impossible task of detecting extra dimensions? One key aspect lies in its ability to accelerate particles to incredibly high energies. When particles collide at such velocities, they shatter into their fundamental constituents,
Mm.
revealing the underlying forces and their interactions. Scientists meticulously analyze these collision patterns and decay sequences, searching for any clues that might hint at the existence of extra dimensions. Think of a successful high energy collision, unleashing a torrent of subatomic particles. Using only the known particles involved, scientists can calculate the total energy and momentum before the collision. If extra dimensions exist, however,
Oh, I almost
some of
forgot
this
that
energy
bill.
and
Oh
momentum
god.
could be leaking into these hidden realms.